Welcome to this Learn to Earn learning module on store operations hygiene calendar on Tuesday activities. Good morning team. For today, we have following 4 activities. BOC, DST scroll. GRN and DMS closure of consumables. Apparel's damage and defective clearance day to 999. RFID to 997 declaration, take stock, SAP and RFID data comparison to 997 process. Let's start the day with BOC, DST scroll. Ensure DST scroll closure for consumables, EB and impetus. And there should be no pendency beyond 48 hours. Let's understand this activity in detail. Here are the quick steps for DST scroll closure. Store Manager or MOD to log in to RRA to access the BOC report. Check for all open scrolls. If there's any pending for GRN, complete the GRN and DMS. If there is any issue, escalate it to the relevant function for closure. If pending for DMS, upload the necessary documents, clear copy as per commercial requirement. The second activity for the day is GRN and DMS closure of consumables by the store. Store has to ensure GRN and DMS closure for all consumables. There should not be any pendency beyond 24 hours. Let's understand this activity in detail. Here are the steps for closure of GRN and DMS for consumables. 1. Store should accept consignment only if courier delivery partner hands over invoice in GST format. In case invoice is not available, store must reject the consignment. 2. Store to do purchase order readiness check based on the purchase order details mentioned in the invoice. 3. During purchase order readiness check, if store finds that purchase order is not released or expired, then store to reject the consignment. 4. If everything is okay during purchase order readiness check, then store has to accept the consignment and complete GRN DMS immediately. 5. Store has to check DMS status using VSCR after 4 working days to identify if DMS is accepted by SSO team or rejected for any specific reason. The third activity for the day is apparel's damage and defective clearance. BOH executive or department manager should declare apparel's damage and defective into 999 SLOC and create STO to respective DC for GRDC. There shouldn't be any pendency beyond 15 days. Let's understand this in detail. BOH to search damaged defective apparel's merchandise in FOH BOH. Move the physical stocks to BOH. Capture articles quantity details in Excel sheet. Transfer article and quantity from SLOC 1000 to 2999. Create STO for damages stocks from 2999 SLOC and send it to RCM for release. Once STOs are released, create delivery and raise TCN request for pickup. Create PGI STN TRIPI invoice available once vehicle arrives at store location. The fourth activity for the day is RFID to 997 declaration, take stock, SAP and RFID data comparison to 997 process. Now we know the right way to complete these tasks. Let's ensure we complete them correctly within the timeline. Thank you.